in addition to doing your pre-ride check, don't let that be the end of it. Once you actually get out on the street and you start your ride, just take a minute and add on to the pre-ride check that you already did. So test out your steering, make sure you have some good push in either direction. See how your tires feel. Does the pressure feel okay? Do you feel like anything's a little low or maybe too inflated? Test out your brakes, right? I'm gonna use my front brake. I got some there. I'm gonna use my rear brake. I got some there. I'm gonna use both brakes. I got some there. Cool. Test out your clutch lever. Squeeze it in. Takes away the power, right? Ease it back out. Get back on your throttle. What happens when I let go of my throttle? Does the bike start decelerating, or does my throttle stay stuck and the bike just keeps cruising? Those are all things that you can test and feel out as you get going, you know, within the first 30 seconds of your ride, before you hop out onto major main streets and roads and start mingling with traffic and all this stuff, right?